Hey yo, what is up ninjas? Welcome to another exciting video. Today we're going to talk about the easiest way to make money in 2018 when you have zero money to start. It's so easy, it's like making money up here. Alright guys, so in this video, if you understand the three things on this gigantic piece of paper right here, then you are going to be able to make money fast with no money to start just from what is up here, right? Because what we're going to talk about in this video is not only how to get paying customers, right? To pay you thousands of dollars just for what's contained in your brain, we're also going to talk about where to find them, right? Because the hardest part about all of this is actually finding the customers, right? If you know how to do things, that's part one. Part two is getting people to actually pay you for your skills, right? So really quickly, guys, we're going to talk about these three things, and then we're going to jump into my computer screen. I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you guys exactly the number one strategy that I teach my students, and I teach thousands of people about how to find wildly profitable paying customers to pay you just for what is up here, right? So the pixel, the Facebook pixel, all big advertising companies in the world have some sort of pixel. Google has Google Analytics, right? The global site tag. Facebook has the Facebook pixel. Yahoo has the dot. Quora, Microsoft Bing, everyone has their own version of this. Basically, at the end of the day, what it is, guys, is a small snippet of code that Facebook provides you that you put on the back end of your website, whether it's ClickFunnels or WordPress or Shopify, right? You put your Facebook pixel code on the back end of your website. There's tutorials on how to set it up no matter what you're using, right? If you're using WordPress, if you're using ClickFunnels, just Google search how to install Facebook pixel, ClickFunnels, WordPress, right? Wix. It does not matter. There is a tutorial. So what the Facebook pixel is a little piece of code that allows you to retarget exact people who come to your site. And what I mean by that is, let's say that I own a camping site, a camping website, right? And let's say that John, my friend John, comes to the camping website. If John comes to the camping website, he might be taking a look at, a new camping backpack. If he's looking at a camping backpack on my website and I have the Facebook pixel properly installed, then I can immediately show John an advertisement for that exact backpack that he was just viewing on my website. I can show him an ad for that same backpack on Facebook, right? It's called retargeting, and it's how you make a ton of money with Facebook ads and with marketing in general, guys. And remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. So when you know the definitions and you're able to speak the marketing language, you can impress clients and you can get them to actually trust in you to allow you to run ads for them, and more importantly, to pay you to run ads for them. A CA, or a custom audience, guys, is one of, if not the most important part of Facebook advertising, of creating a Facebook ad agency. What it means is it allows you to create an audience of people that have performed a certain action, right? So you can create a custom audience of everyone who's come to your website, for example. You can create a custom audience of a list of emails of your past customers. You can create a custom audience of people who have engaged with your Facebook page, and then you can show ads to that exact specific custom audience, guys. And if you understand how to create custom audiences the right way, then you can seriously take your advertising to the next level. For example, one of the most profitable custom audiences that I personally use is we target people who have seen the order page of my products, right, of my Shopify store, and we target people who have not seen the thank you page or the confirmation page or the purchase page. And what that means, guys, is we're only showing our advertisement to people who have expressed serious interest in our product by coming to the order page, but have not yet purchased, right? So we're only targeting people who have viewed the order page but have not viewed the confirmation page or purchase page, because if they had purchased, they would have seen the purchase page. So what we're doing is targeting ultra targeted people who have looked at our product but have not yet bought. That's just one example. Custom audiences are incredible. I suggest you guys learn more, and if you want to, take a look at last week's video that we did. We actually gave away a completely free mini course on Facebook ads that has everything you need to know to find your first customer and create wildly profitable ads, a complete introduction, right? A mini course in last week's video. We gave it away to the first 100 people, but we had such a huge response to it that we decided to open up a few more spots. So if you haven't, guys, after this video is over, right, make sure you watch this or you're going to miss out. But after this video is over, make sure you check out last week's video where we gave away a completely free Facebook ads mini course, right? So the last thing is an LLA LLA. What an LLA is a lookalike audience. A lookalike audience was one of the most revolutionary things that Facebook ever introduced. What it allows you to do is create a huge audience from what's called a source audience. So let's say that 100 people have come to your website, right? You create a custom audience of those exact 100 people, but if you're showing ads to 100 people, right, they're going to get bored of those ads very quickly. 100 people may seem like a lot, but when you're advertising, it's not that much. So what a lookalike audience allows you to do is say, okay, from that 100 people that viewed your website, let's create a lookalike audience of 2 million people who share as many common attributes as possible with the custom audience. So it might say, okay, well, your custom audience is 75% men who are aged 25 through 34, right, who live in the United States. Let's go find 2 million other, 25 through 34-year-old men who live in the United States who like certain things, right? So it's a genius way that Facebook uses their incredibly complicated algorithms and systems and code to find you a ton of other people who are also ultra interested in what you have to say. So let's jump into my computer right now, guys, and I'm going to show you how I teach my students to find their first customers, to actually pay them thousands and thousands of dollars to run ads for their business. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go into the place where people gather. And what I mean by that is when you want to find people to actually pay you to do something that you're good at, you go to where the people need help and you help them for free, right? I know that might sound like a strange concept, but that is just how it works, guys. You go to the place where people gather and you help them for free. That's how I started when I started helping people with Amazon. That's how I started when I started helping people with Shopify. That's how I started when I started helping people with Facebook. And now I'm lucky enough to have the biggest groups, or some of the biggest groups in the entire world for those three things. But when I first started out, what I did was I went to the place where people were making money, right? Because people have to have money to pay you money. And I went and I started answering their questions. So if you've taken the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass mini course, or if you've joined the real program, the big program, right? The full program, you're going to have an unbelievable amount of data and skills. If you are a part of the full Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass, shameless plug, link in the description, you will be the top 1% of people in the entire world at Facebook ads. If you've taken the mini course, right, you'll be well on your way to a very good introduction of Facebook ads. But again, if you've taken the full course, you're going to be in the top 1% in the entire world. So feel confident that you're able to help these people. So what I do is come into ClickFunnels, the group, for example. There's 184,000 people in this group. And I'm going to go to search this group and I'm going to type in Facebook ads, right? And then what I'm going to do is sort by most recent. Who is growing their Facebook business page, right? You could give your opinion on that and saying, Facebook ads helped me grow my Facebook business page from 0 to 100,000 likes in a month, right? Like, if you have any more questions, feel free to shoot me a message. Has anyone experienced Facebook ads performing worse over a period of time? You could say something like, yeah, well, like Facebook ads, the point of Facebook ads is for the long term. Whether or not it performs well for a day or two is not what's important, right? What's important is actually creating long-term ads that perform well over a period of time, like a week or a month or even longer than that, right? And so, or you could talk about, ad fatigue, that, maybe your audience is saturated, that you need to try different custom audiences or create different lookalike audiences. And the beautiful thing, guys, oh, here we go. This is so perfect. I'm not even planning this right now. Hello, I'm looking for a Facebook ads expert. I'm currently spending $10K a month on ads every month, and business is growing fast. We are an e-commerce business. I need help with setting up and improving existing ads. A big plus if you're good with ManyChat, right? The Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass, the full course. Unfortunately, this is not part of the mini course, the introduction. The full course has an entire section on ManyChat, right? Messenger bots, which are another huge way that thousands of businesses right now are looking for people to implement ManyChat and help them set up their messenger bots, right? ManyChat is a messenger bot service. This person is literally 4 hours ago asking to pay for someone. This couldn't be more perfect, guys. I'm literally, I swear to God, I did not plan this. This person is literally asking to hire someone, and they're saying they're spending $10,000 a month on Facebook, so they would easily pay you $1,000 a month if you know what you're doing, right? And so the people out there who are joining the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass, right, shameless plug, link in the description, are becoming the best in the world at Facebook ads, and then they're using those skills to go out there and find people to pay them thousands of dollars a month per month, every month, right, to set up their Facebook ads and to set up their ManyChat. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing, right? What's the best way to get traffic to your new funnel? You could say Facebook ads is the best way to get traffic to your new funnel. Like, our favorite ways to do that are setting up custom audiences of website viewers or looking at the top 25% of people via time spent on your website and then targeting them, or creating lookalike audiences of your email list, right? There's so many things you can talk about. And if you're saying to yourself, I don't know what to talk about, right? It's because you haven't learned it yet. I have a completely free hour-long plus video on Facebook ads that has almost 1 million views, right? If you joined our Facebook ads Ninja Masterclass, even the mini course, right? The mini course is a great introduction. If you join the full course, then you are an expert if you're actually going through it and you can help these people. Desperate in need from help from this community here. One of my best friend's Instagram accounts has been hacked, right? So not everything is going to be directly applicable, but I'm in need of a digital marketing manager, right? It's beautiful. There's so much opportunity every single day if you know how to look for it, right? That's just one option. You can go into this is the group I own, right? 58,000 people in here. People are talking constantly about Facebook ad strategies. I create ads for a construction industry, right? All right, guys, it's time to roast or boast. Please be gentle, talking about his store. Smart people who joined the course right here 11 minutes ago. This is awesome. Why the hell are Facebook ads saying that I'm selling weapons, right? So you can put your opinion on here, tell people, how your suggestions offer value for free. And when you offer value for free, people are going to want to continue the conversation, right? Take it to direct messages and then tell them, yes, I do offer these services. If you're interested, right, I'd be happy to, show you some results for free. Or if you already have some clients, say that you charge, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 a month, depending on your skill set and depending on how, many different clients you have. Because the more clients you get, the more valuable your time becomes, and the more you're able to actually charge for that time, guys. And I'm not even going to show, there's other groups like this where people are constantly asking questions 2 hours ago, 29 minutes ago, right? And you can just go into these groups, find people that need help, use the skill of what is up here in your brain, right? Don't be like everyone else. Don't be like those greedy people who say, well, I need to charge for my time immediately, right? Give away value for free. People will respect that. They'll see you as an expert, and then they'll be much more willing and much more likely to hire you at $1,000 per month per client. And once you start to have 4 clients, guys, that's $4,000 a month. 5 clients, $5,000 a month. All of a sudden, you're making 60 grand a year profit just from what is contained up here, right? There's no cost of inventory. There's no traditional expenses. It's a real thing of beauty, guys. And so all I want you to do, right? I don't have a call to action in this video. I'm not trying to give you anything. All I recommend you do, guys, is just do something. Take action. Be the 1% of people watching this video that actually takes action, actually watches, last week's video, which will be the #1 link right here in the description. I'm going to link to the playlist on how to make more money, right? You will find that video where I gave away a completely free introductory course for the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass. Or if you're ready and you're ready to invest in yourself and your future and you're ready to join the thousands of other students who are absolutely killing it right now in the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass, the full course, we will have that link right here, and we're hooking you guys up with a very special discount. So take advantage of that if you want to, guys, and I can't wait to see all of you guys crush it. Join the Facebook Ads Ninja Masterclass, the mini course, or the full course if you're ready to absolutely kill it. And until next time, guys, happy hustling.